Gold price technical outlook for the 25th of September. Gold price sinks below $3,750, bears eye $3,700. Gold price bullish bias remains intact in the long term, but daily, a reversal is underway, threatening to keep prices below $3,750 towards the end of the day. If achieved, gold price could remain range-bound within the $3,700 to $3,750 range as market participants wait for fresh catalysts. If gold price drops below $3,700, the next support would be the 20-day simple moving average SMA at $3,613, ahead of challenging $3,600. Otherwise, if buyers claim $3,750, the next area of interest would be the all-time high at $3,791. Daily digest market movers. U.S. Treasury yields weigh on gold prices. U.S. Treasury yields are climbing, with the 10-year Treasury note up 3 basis points at 4.137%. U.S. real yields calculated by subtracting inflation expectations from the nominal yield, which correlate inversely to gold prices, surged nearly 3.5 bps to 1.767%. New home sales in August improved sharply, from 0.66 per million to 0.8 million, a 20.5% increase that exceeded forecasts of 0.65 million. Although the data was positive, the latest S&P Global Purchasing Managers Index PMI print in the services and manufacturing sectors indicates that the economy is cooling. Traders are eyeing the release of initial jobless claims for the week ending September 20th, with estimates of 235K people filing for unemployment benefits, above the previous number of 231K. Durable goods orders in August are projected to improve, following July's dismal print of -2.8%. Economists estimate that orders will dip -0.5% month. At the same time, the final reading of the U.S. GDP for the second quarter is expected to remain unchanged at 3.3% year. A flurry of Federal Reserve speakers will cross the wires, with regional Fed presidents Schmid, Williams, Logan, and Daly leading the pack. Fed governors Bowman and Barr will complete the parade. The Federal Reserve is expected to cut rates by 25 bps at the October 19th meeting, as revealed by data from Prime Market Terminal. Odds are at 91%.